Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and helpful tutorial. Today, we're tackling something that's super handy in 2025. How to transfer money from your PayPal account straight to your bank account using the app. Whether you're sending funds for bills, savings, or just managing your finances, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and secure. Let's dive right in. First off, ensure you have the latest version of the PayPal app installed on your phone. The 2025 updates include enhanced security features like biometric verification and faster processing times, so it's worth checking for any updates before you start. Step 1. Open the PayPal app and log in with your username and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, go ahead and verify that for extra safety. Step 2. Once you're logged in, navigate to your PayPal balance or wallet section. This is usually right on the home screen, showing your available funds. Step 3. Look for the Transfer Money or Withdraw option. In the 2025 version, this might be more prominent with a dedicated button to make things user-friendly. Step 4. Select your linked bank account. If it's not already connected, you'll need to add it by entering your bank's details securely. Don't worry, PayPal uses encryption to protect your info. Step 5. Enter the amount you want to transfer and double-check for any associated fees. Remember, fees can vary based on your location and bank, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Step 6. Review the details on the confirmation screen, then hit Confirm or Transfer Now. You might need to use a PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID for verification, which is a great new feature in 2025. Once submitted, your transfer should process quickly, often within minutes for instant options, or up to 1 to 3 business days for standard transfers. That's it, you've successfully moved your money. A quick tip. Always monitor your accounts for the funds and keep your app updated to avoid any glitches. If you run into issues, PayPal's in-app support is top-notch. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next one.